Guys, how's it going? Welcome to this video. Sorry, I have a bit of a cold, but I'm gonna make this video anyway. Hope this video will help you guys out if you guys have the PasslocK system. I've done multiple videos on this. This PasslocK system that GM has is regardless of whether it's PasslocK 1, 2, or 3, which is a GM security system. Now, there are various symptoms of when you know the PasslocK is keeping your vehicle from starting. Most common situation is what happens is the PasslocK will actually keep the fuel pump from pumping fuel into the system, so you would get a crank no start with a PasslocK security light on your dash. However, I've come across instances where there is a no crank no start situation where you would get dings past the PasslocK light, and you would have a no start, no crank no start situation. And a lot of things could trigger it. You could do something as simple as giving somebody a jump with your battery, and for whatever reason, if the other vehicle has a bigger battery, it takes so much power, the surge itself actually could cause this scenario to happen. And if you get stuck in this situation, a lot of people will try different methods of trying to fix the situation, reset the PasslocK. I've done videos on it. If you guys want, you guys could check out the other videos that I've done. But I'm gonna give you guys a quick fix, particularly if you guys have the situation where you guys have a no crank no start situation, which is a little bit different from a crank no start situation with the PasslocK issue. So basically, if you guys are at this, if you guys are watching this video, I'm sure you guys probably like checked out all the resets, taking the cable off the battery, doing the PasslocK resets by putting your key in the ignition, turning it on position for like 10 minutes, etc., etc. It might work. I've heard that sometimes those methods might work for maybe like a week, and then you get into the same situation you had previously. And sometimes the no crank no start is just a more of an enigma at that point. But I'm gonna give you guys a quick fix on this. It's similar to the other methods being used. It's similar to other methods being used, but this might help you guys out. Okay, so if you guys have seen any videos on this or done any research on this, you guys are probably familiar with the method of putting your key in ignition, turn it to on position, not cranking it, turn it to on position even if it's for 10 minutes, and then taking it out for 30 seconds and then redoing it 3 times. Now, a lot of people have had a lot of good success with that. Some people have had success for a short period of time, and out of nowhere, within like maybe a couple days, they start having the same situation where there's no crank no start. Guys, on that situation, I'm going to give you guys a very quick fix to this. Hopefully this will help you guys out. So let me tell you guys what people have done in this situation. They've taken the steering cover off and essentially just rigged a couple wires, 2 wires to the left. They've rigged a couple of wires, and it seemed to work, except for the fact that what happens in these situations is you don't have your security system, and it won't notify that your key is still in ignition, so your whole security system will be disabled. I don't think you'd have access to the lock and unlock with your doors and everything like that. Maybe, I'm not quite sure. You guys know, definitely leave a comment in the comment section. If you guys are not, if you guys don't want to try that method, and I'm sure you guys do want your security system to work, especially if you have a more expensive GM vehicle, So I'm going to tell you guys about this method. This method does work. A lot of people would spend $300 to $1,000 taking it to the dealership to have them check it out, or quote unquote fix the situation, when all they do is probably just reset the system with the computer, and you might have it come up, have the situation come up again some other time. Now, I'm not quite sure which years this is good for, but you guys should definitely try this regardless. If you guys have a GM vehicle, a GMC, a Chevy, Cadillac, you guys should definitely try this regardless of what year you might have. It's not a very long reset procedure. So what you guys gonna do in this situation is you're gonna open your door. All right, you're gonna leave it open. All right, so after that, what you're gonna do is you're gonna put your key in the ignition, and you're gonna hear dings, rapid dings, and you probably hear that for 6 to 8 seconds. And you're just gonna leave it like that. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna let it ding 6 to 8 times. All right, there's really no specific number for this. 6 to 8 times. Now you do not want to turn the key. All right, in this situation, which is the first step would be to leave the door open. You're gonna put your key in the ignition, not turn it. You do not want to turn it. You want to let it ding for 6 to 8 times, which is like 4 to 6 seconds. Okay, so after it dings for like 6 to 8 seconds, you're going to turn it to the on position. You don't want to start it, you don't want to crank it, you just want to turn it to the on position. And what you're going to do is you're going to leave it there for 5 seconds. All right, the dings are going to be slow. It's going to ding for 5 seconds. You're going to leave it in there for 5-6 seconds until, okay, so what's going to happen is at some point, like 5 to 6 seconds in, it's going to stop dinging. Some of the lights on your dash are going to go off. What you're going to do is you're going to turn it, try to start it. Now, hope this video has helped you guys out. It's not very difficult, so I'm going to just restate it again. Leave your door open, put your key in the ignition, let it ding for, let it ding for, so it's going to ding 6 to 8 times. Then at that point, you're going to turn the key to the on position, and it's going to ding slowly for 5 seconds. After the 5 seconds, you're going to turn it to a crank position to crank it up and try to start it. It should work for you guys, hopefully. So if you guys have any questions on this, definitely leave a question in the comment section. Now, if you guys are probably asking yourselves whether you guys have to do this every time you guys want to start your vehicle or it resets itself, from what I've seen, if you guys don't use the remote, to lock the doors, unlock the doors, or any of that stuff, you shouldn't be needing to reset it. Every time you get in, you should be able to restart it. However, if you guys do use the remote, then you probably will need to reset it each and every time that happens. But anyway, this isn't really a fix for it. It's more of a workaround until you guys find a true fix for this. And if you guys have any questions, definitely leave a question in the comment section. Please subscribe, please give me a thumbs up, all that good stuff. Appreciate your time. All right, guys, take care.